Hi, it's Dr. Sara Wasserbauer, and I'm here to talk to you today about a lot of the different names of hair transplant that run around the internet, have their heyday, and then switch to something else. One of these is, for instance, direct hair implantation, which is basically taking the hair and implanting it with an implanter. This is very commonly used around the world now, but it does seem like a lot of people make up their own names for whatever it is that they're doing in their practice when it is actually ubiquitous, where a lot of people around the world use the exact same techniques, but because, hair doctors like to sound special, we give it our own name. There is a long and glorious tradition of this all through the years of hair medicine and hair transplant. So you can think of mega sessions, mini mega sessions, direct hair implantation, diamond hair implantation, neograft, smart graft, artist procedures, where these are usually FUE, follicular unit excision procedures. What a patient should look for is whether that's actually true. And if you really want to see what the state of the art is, you should check out some of the websites that are dedicated to educating young doctors who are interested in hair, young surgeons who are doing hair, and see what terms they're using for all of the surgical procedures that we do. A lot of these things are really not unique. A lot of them are marketing. And if you have a surgeon who really knows their stuff, they won't feel the necessity of naming something after themselves. I hope that helps. Good luck out there. I know it's a big internet and there's a lot of confusion.